Hello, I am Samlata, English Assistant JMC School Orthopeda. Welcome to SL Baina English. Listen to the video from beginning to the end. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. In biographical sketch 1, part 1 and part 2, I explained how to write biographical sketch easily. Now we are going to learn with examples. We are writing biographical sketch. First one is Abdul Kalam's biographical sketch. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Write this in your first paragraph. Then, born. What did I tell? He was born for date on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram. In Rameswaram, full stop. Capital letter He was born on 15th October 1931, Rameswaram. What died? He died. He died on 27th July 2015, Shillong. Okay. Prime Minister. He was a Prime Minister after Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. Awards. His awards were, because he was dead, and so his awards were Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Hoover Medal and more. Write all this in second paragraph. In first paragraph, born. After that, in second paragraph. Third paragraph, I gave last paragraphs. Write that. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru biographical sketch. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. He was born on 14th November 1889, Prayagraj. Okay. He died on 27th May 1964 in New Delhi. Okay. Full stop. Next paragraph. His spouse was Kamala Nehru. Stephen Hawking's biographical sketch. Stephen William Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist and author who was director of research at the Centre for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge at the time of his death. Okay. He was born on, first letter must be capital letter. He was born on 8th January 1942 in Oxford, United Kingdom. Oxford, you can write Oxford, United Kingdom also. He died on 14th March 2018, Cambridge, United Kingdom. Next, second paragraph. His books were A Brief History of Time, Brief Answers to the Big Questions, Write as There Is Only. Okay. Don't change anything. more, because it is the last one, and more. Okay. His spouse was Elaine Mason. Write that, which was in brackets also. Okay. Write this in second paragraph. Write the last paragraph clearly. Okay. Write in bold letters. Okay. Next. Biography of MS Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in limited overs formats from 2007 to 2016 and in test cricket from 2008 to 2014. His awards were Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, okay, until that comma, for the last one, and more, okay. He was born on 7th July 1981, within brackets, age 39 years, okay, now, okay, and so write as it is, okay. Ranchi, comma, Ranchi. ODI debut. His ODI debut is C.V. Raman died 1981. Is now also, and so he is on 23rd December. MS Dhoni's biographical sketch. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in limited overs formats from 2007 to 2016 and in test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Okay. His awards were, write that in next paragraph or in first paragraph. His awards were Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, ICC ODI Team of the Year and more. Okay. He was, next paragraph, he was born on 7th July 1981, age 39 years in bracket, in Ranchi. His ODI debut is on 23rd December 2004 versus Bangladesh. His test debut is on 2nd December 2005 of Sri Lanka. Last ODI is on 9th July 2019 New Zealand. ODI shirt number is 7. Okay. Write that in second paragraph and write the last paragraphs neatly. Okay. First, when you see the question, write the name as heading and underline it, and then only write all of the biographical sketch. Okay. Next. Next, biographical sketch of Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran is an Indian film and television actress and an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer. In 1981, she hurt her leg in a road accident near Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, while coming back from Madras with her parents. Her leg became gangrenous and her parents opted to have it amputated. Okay, she was born on 27 September 1965, age 54 years, in Mumbai. Her spouse was Ravi Dang. Write the one which is in brackets. Okay. Next paragraph is it. Her education was her education was in. Before the college or university, we should put in. Okay. In Mithibai College of Arts, Chauhan Institute of Science, and Amrut Ben Jivanlal College of Commerce and Economics. Her profession was dancer. Her awards were Golden Petal Award for Power Packed Performance and more. Okay. For the last one we should put and. Okay. Write this in second paragraph and then the last paragraphs. Put capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and then in the end put full stop. Okay. Put distance between the words, put distance between the lines also. Write clearly in bold letters. Mahatma Gandhi's biographical sketch. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political atheist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He died on 30th January 1948 in New Delhi. His spouse was, write in second paragraph, his spouse was Kasturba Gandhi. Write that in brackets also. His children were Harilal Gandhi, Manilal Gandhi, Devdas Gandhi and Ramdas Gandhi. Before the last one put and. Okay. Until that commas. His movies were When Asia Speaks, full stop. His education was here. University was not given. His education was given, and so his education was UCL Faculty of Laws. Write that in brackets also and more. Okay. Write this in second paragraph. Next last paragraphs of the biographical sketch which I was given. Next, C.V. Raman's biographical sketch. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was an Indian physicist who made groundbreaking works in the field of light scattering. With his student K.S. Krishnan, he discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light change wavelength and amplitude. He was born on 7th November 1888, Tiruvankail in Tiruchirappalli. He died on 21st November 1970 in Bangalore. Write that in first paragraph. How much is writing is not important. Writing without grammar mistakes is important. Okay. His other notable students were Kariyamani Cham, Srinivas Krishnan and K.R. Ramanathan. His spouse was, write that in second paragraph. His other notable students from that. His spouse Lokasundari Ammal. His spouse was, put compulsorily the verb, okay. His spouse was Lokasundari Ammal. Write that, which is in brackets also. His awards were Bharat Ratna, Nobel Prize in Physics, Lenin Peace Prize, Hughes Medal and more, okay. Then the last paragraphs. Write whatever you are writing, write clearly in bold letters, okay. Then only you will get good marks. I am once again telling the last paragraphs of biographical sketch. By writing this biographical sketch, it can help me learn about his or her importance and see the world through their eyes. Since I cannot cover his or her entire life in a sketch, I try to focus on their biggest accomplishments, then build the sketch around that. I am proud of him or her, full stop. Write this compulsorily. I am proud of him or her. He or she has been an inspiration to many people. He or she is a pole star in the field of activity. Let us salute him or her, okay. Write these last lines from I am proud of. Lost her, him or her, okay. Him or her, okay. Write this and by heart the last paragraphs, and then only we will write completely, okay. Okay, today it is enough. Biographical sketch of Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran is an Indian film and television actress and an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer. In 1981, she hurt her leg in a road accident near Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, while coming back from Madras with her parents. Her leg became gangrenous and her parents opted to have it amputated. She was born on 27 September 1965, age 54 years within brackets, in Mumbai. Her spouse was Ravi Dang. Write that which was in brackets also. That is all in first paragraph. In second paragraph, her education. Her spouse is Ravi Dang. Because she is alive, use is only for born. She was born. Her spouse is Ravi Dang. And write which is in brackets also. Her education is in Miti Boy College of Arts, Chauhan Institute of Science and Amrit Pen Jivanlal College of Commerce and Economics. Her profession is dancer. Her awards are Golden Petal Award for power-packed performance and more. Okay, this is for second paragraph. Last paragraphs I have given. Write that. Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru biographical sketch. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Prayagraj, He died on 27th May 1964 in New Delhi. His spouse was, from that onwards, right in second paragraph, her spouse was Kamala Nehru, write that which is present in brackets also. His children were Indira Gandhi. His awards were Bharat Ratna. His education was in Trinity College, write that in brackets also. In Harrow School and more. Last paragraphs as usual. Okay. Write the letters bold in bold and put some distance between the words and put distance between the lines also. Okay. Write it. Write 2 or 3 in first paragraph and then 2 or 3 in second paragraph, and the last paragraphs I have given. Okay. Write them clearly. Once again I tell you the last paragraphs. By writing this biographical sketch, it can help me learn about his or her importance and see the world through their eyes. Since I cannot cover his or her entire life in a sketch, I try to focus on their biggest accomplishments, then build the sketch around that. I am proud of him or her, full stop. He or she has been an inspiration to many people. He or she is a pole star in the field of activity. Let us salute him or her. Once again I tell you, by writing this biographical sketch, it can help me learn about his or her importance and his or her, he or she, write according to the question given, okay, which has given in the question. According to that only you must write his or her, he or she, okay. See the world through their eyes. By writing this biographical sketch, it can help me learn about his or her importance and see the world through their eyes. Since I can't cover his or her entire life in a sketch, I try to focus on their biggest accomplishments, then build the sketch around that. I am proud of him or her, full stop. He or she has been an inspiration to many people. He or she is a pole star in the field of activity, full stop. Let us salute him or her. At least write from I am proud of up to him or her, okay. If you can't write, at least write the last paragraph from I am proud of up to him or her. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.